This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for May 12, 2020. Corn market up 3 3/4, bean market down 3, Chicago wheat down 2 3/4, Minneapolis up 2, Kansas City down 5 3/4. Crop report day, we kind of dodged some major bullets from our vantage point. Around a 3.3 carry out in the corn market, around a 405 million bushel carry out in the soybeans, and you look into circumstances there with those two markets where they were pretty close to trade expectations. We did see a big increase in old crop carryout as a result of some lack of demand, especially on the export side of things for soybeans. On the corn side of things, we did see a little lower production, but that was offset by some demand decay as well there, some shifts in the USDA's attitude. So kind of just stuck in this rut here. Encouraging to see though, because this allows us to continue off of our base of support. We have not activated price counts. But again, if we can turn this corner slowly but surely, we may begin to do that and may have some upside price counts through summer. I think this is going to be a slow progression, a rally. Keep in mind that today's numbers, we did not see any acre shift. USDA used what they gave us in March, which was the expectation, but the anticipation ahead would be some reduction in corn acres, increase in bean acres. How much is really what the market's going to try to argue and decide here over the next month and a half or so. When you look to the feeder cattle market, up 365, lives up 450, hog market up 105. So cattle and hogs correct again today. You see some buying show back up. Cutout values continue to climb. Uncertainty over slaughter plants continues to be the case. So we got our big correction here on the first move for cattle and hogs. We've stalled out here a little bit, actually got a little bit of a setback, and now cattle come back strong today. So what we do in the next few days will be extremely important, but at least the development of a start to uptrend here, especially with that first nice wave in both these markets, and the ability to sustain here despite some mixed and wishy-washy news here due to the slaughter plant capacity and the ability to slaughter, as well as just the chart formation. So we'll kind of look to those next price counts that range anywhere from $3 to nearly $10 higher for both cattle and hogs, and we'll communicate those if we can extend here again tomorrow. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.